Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this problem. Find the equivalent resistance across the two ends A and B of the given circuit. You see the circuit, A is here, B is here. We will find the equivalent resistance across the two ends AB. Now we will rearrange this circuit. Here is A. You see this is R1, R2, R5. Here is R1 equal to 1 ohm. R2 is equal to 4 ohm. R5 is equal to 1 ohm. After that B. Next, you see here R2 is here. Here is R3, here is R4. So we will draw here. Here is R3 is equal to 2 ohm. After that this is R4 equal to 2 ohm. Next, you see down. Down is R6, R7. R6 equal to 2 ohm. R7 is equal to 2 ohm. You can join the line. Now you see the circuit. This R3 and R4 is in series and R6 and R7 also series. First we will calculate these two circuits. RS34 is equal to R3 plus R4 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4 ohm. So RS34 is 4 ohm. Next, RS67 is equal to R6 plus R7 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4 ohm. RS67 is equal to 4 ohm. Now we will rearrange this circuit. This is R1, this is R2, this is R5. Here is RS34. Here is R1 is equal to 1 ohm, R2 is equal to 4 ohm, R3 is equal to 1 ohm. This is B. This is RS34 is equal to 4 ohm. This is RS67 is equal to 4 ohm. Join this. Here is A. Next, you see these two resistors is in parallel. Now we will calculate this two. 1 by RP2S34 equal to 1 by R2 plus 1 by RS34 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. RP2S34 is equal to 2 ohm. Now we will rearrange this circuit. Here is R1 is equal to 1 ohm. Here is, we will take it as RP is equal to 2 ohm. Next is R3 is equal to 1 ohm. This is B. Here is A. So down is RS67 equal to 4 ohm. RS is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 ohm. RS equal to 4 ohm. Now rearrange this circuit. RS is equal to 4 ohm. This is A, here is B. Down is RS67 is equal to 4 ohm. You see these two resistors is in parallel. 1 by R, A, B is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by R, A, B. R, A, B is equal to 2 ohm. So equivalent resistance across the two ends A and B is 2 ohm. That is the answer. Thanks for watching this video.